All right, so here we go. So I have pretty much finished doing all the cooking. I literally took each chicken strip, set a timer for about 3 minutes just to make sure it was thoroughly cooked, especially on the pieces that were a little bit bigger. And this is the outcome. This is the outcome. Literally, here we go. That was my first time making it. My son said he really liked it. So super simple. When these are just a couple of tidbits that I would do if I was going to redo this recipe. So basically, you can avoid putting it in the bag and shaking it up. It doesn't come as evenly spread for all of the coating. So literally you can get 2 eggs, crack it in a dish, mix it with the milk or buttermilk, whatever you want to use, put that on the side, do the dredging of the flour, do it in the egg, and then just take the Doritos bag, put it in the blender, crush it up, just make sure it's very, if you wanted it a little bit more coarse, don't blend it so much, but just blend it enough to be a coating. And then put it in a tray, and then you can roll it in it, and then go on to the next one. So much simpler, an even spread for that, and then that way your chicken will come out nice and evenly coated, and you're gonna be able to taste that Doritos. So, but ultimately, my son, he said he really liked it. So this recipe is a thumbs up, and I mean, I'll hold one piece. As you can see, it is super crispy. Look at that. Super crispy and amazing. And this was trial and error, guys. So setting my timer for like 3 minutes on the thicker pieces, 2 minutes on a little bit smaller pieces. But ultimately, that is it. I like this recipe. I'm going to do it again. My family likes it. Thank you very much for watching. Try it and enjoy.